Hello, welcome. Today, again, we are going to talk about some programs, and obviously, there will be some revisions. Okay, let's see some programs. First, let's see some related C. Then we'll go for some other programs. Let's see some programs related to function. Let's make a function first. Let's make an array for the number input. Let's input some numbers here. Let's use the loop here. How many numbers? Actually, it is unknown, so we can give randomly here. Let's give 5 numbers here. 6 we can check. Uh, enter, enter, number, scanner, Okay, name of here is A. So A, then I, location area comes from I there. After that, we have finished the input. Let's printer, numbers are uh, let's do copy and paste, same loop here. Let's give the name of array AI. We don't need this one. Uh, let's put here data. Yeah. So what we have done here, we have done all the inputs and the outputs using same function. Yes, but we are asked to use the function. So let's do one thing. What we need here, just uh, let's pass the parameter int. Name of function is numbers. In 100. Now let's do cut and paste this part here. Okay, nothing more. And we have to call the function. We have to call the function. So to call, we have to put the function name here. So what is the name of functions? Numbers, and a name of array. Let's put it simply here. That's all. Let's save it. Array. Let's run the program. Okay, so we need to declare that. I. So what this is asking? Okay, so we forgot here. I enters first number here 12, 23, 45, 45, 67, 78. That's all. So actually it is showing the address. So what we need here, we need to put the variable, and that is I, comma. That's all. Let's again enter there 12, 23, 32, 33, 43, 45. So look here. So this is how we get the output. We go for the input using the function. Nothing more is here. This is how it works. It's very simple program. Uh, Regarding any questions, you can use the chat box. If not, fine then. Okay. Now let's see same type of program, and next then we'll go for some GS programs. Um, to know a number is even or include as, let's give a function name here, void even odd. We can also write the program without passing the actual parameters, so nothing is mentioned in question. Simply we are asked to know whether a number is even or odd. Leave it blank here. Let's go for main function. Now here, let's call the function simply given underscore return 0. Let's go for the body definition part. In the body part or the definition part we can say, so void even or odd. So this is our definition part, or which is the body part of the function. This is the calling part we have already discussed. Now let's input a number, so int number. After that input that scan number. So if number divided by 2 equals to 0. So we need to put enter d is an even number, else printf is an odd. That's all, nothing more we have to do here. Let's save it. If any bug comes, we'll see that. So let's run it. So asking for number 34, it is an even number. It's very simple. So this is how function can be used. In this way, we can write the program, we can go for the input, we can call the function. Now let's see another program here. Function to input some data using this structure and printing that. So let's open a new file here. Structure to input and output the records of both. Yes. Suppose use function. We are asking. Let's go for input as. Just make a structure here. Book int id name. That's all. Let's give any 3 records. Yes, and we are also asked to use a function here. Am I right? So let's use the function here. Let's create a function void detail. After that, we have to create a variable after the structure. Struct book. So what that is book. Yes, fine. Let's go with main function here. Each of the main function, first we have to go for input. Yes. Let's declare a variable here. I for the loop. Similarly, for the structure, we have already have there. Let's run the loop here. I equals to 0, I less than equals to 2, I plus plus. Printer, enter ID, scanner, so V, I, ID, printer, enter, name, scanner, uh, so name is V, obviously V, and I dot name. That's all. Okay, here is a spelling error. SVA. Fine. We have input the data. Now what we need here, we have to call the function. Yes, we need to call the function here, and for that name of function is detail, and which variable is accepting our data, that is b. Let's pass the b here. That's it. So this was about the calling return 0. Let's put here now void detail start book b. After that we have to print the data. Yes, so int I printer the data are. So let's copy and paste this entire loop. Uh, we don't need printer. Let's remove this part. We also don't need this one. Okay. Simply we need to print the value. So let's put here printer id equals to this slash t name equals to hash bid then I dot name. That's all. So nothing more we have to do. We have finished everything. Let's save it. Okay, let's put inside the function here. Function with structure. Function with structure. Save it. Let's run it here. It's showing error here. Let's see what is the error here. Incomplete tab argument one of detail expected is stop book, what argument is type is stop book. So line number 19 and line number 8. 19, it is having problem there. B B B. Okay, everything okay. Okay. So here is B. Here is also B. Yes. Save it. Again having some problem here. Name of function detail fine. B, it is also okay there. Let's do one thing. Start book. B1. Okay, we can do one thing here. Let's put this here. Okay. Okay. So size it was missing here. So let's keep the ID here. So 1 2 name Rama, ID 1 3 Shama, ID 1 4 name Kamala. So this is how it works here. So look here, ID2 Rama, ID13 Shama, and the Kamala. So sometimes bugs appears here. So that's a normal thing, and this is how it works there. So what was missing here actually? What we did, we made the variable of array, yes, but here and that was not. So that was causing a problem here. So this is how we can use the structure with the function. So nothing more is there. I hope you answer this one. If any confusion or you say that uh, questions, you can use the chat box. So do you have any questions? Okay, this was all the simple program using that. Now let's write some programs using JS. Okay, and that's fine here. Then we'll go casually. I'm closing it. Console, what was that site? Console dot check.com. What was that? Check.com. So, so this site is not there. Let's just actually we can run the JS commands online. Console dot JS, is it there? No, it's not there. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's do this one. JS.do. So now let's set some programs here, and in JS and we'll see the output on the right side. Okay, let's go full screen. Yeah. Uh, Suppose we want to display our text, so we have to write the console. We can also directly write on the console. Let's go on console here. So right click, inspect, and there is console section. So here is console. Let's drag it. Okay. Let's write here console dot log hi.js. So look here, there is output hi.js. It is printing here. Now let's write here. Let's take a variable let a equals to 45. Let b equals to 30. Console log. Then there is a plus b. Let's do a plus b equals to then a plus b. Enter. So obviously we are getting a 75. Yes, sir. So this is how the JS works. JS is dynamic for the dynamic content, or you say that dynamic you say that display of our contents on the website or in the applications. We use this one. Now suppose uh, we want to go for input here. So what we do here, let's declare the variable that a, then a equals to 1. Sorry, enter the number. Console that log, then the square is. So for square we have two choices here. We can use some operators like a, then into 2. Yes, it's very simple there. Okay, let's run the program. A has already been declared at 1 1. Okay, 2 times. So we cannot declare 2 times, so that was a problem here. So let's do one thing here. Asking for a number. Let's give a 2. So uh, so output is 4. So that's all. Nothing more we have to do here. Uh, let's take for a string. So yeah, string equals to prompt. Sorry. Enter a string console log length is the reverse is string dot reverse. So run. String reverse is not a function, it is neither. Means we cannot use this one to reverse that. We have to go for the loop. Yes, and let's go for the loop. We can also use that, or we can use the length. Then we can reverse that using the loop. Let's use let's check where I for I equals to 0. No, means we have to reverse, means we have to go in opposite direction. Yes, so what we need here, we have to go for string dot length, sorry, string dot length -1 to more than equals to 0, then I minus. Let's put the location here. So that is I. That's all. Rama. So look here. We are getting AM. So first it was Rama. We are getting Amar. So this is how we can reverse the string. So nothing more there. So this is how we can write the program using JS. It's very interesting, and I like the JS, and it's the burning language in the market. So in this way we can understand and we can write the program. So tomorrow again we'll be joining using the JS and the C and some PHP programs gradually. So stay tuned and join me maybe on Facebook or maybe on YouTube or maybe on TikTok simultaneously. Okay, thank you. Take care. See you tomorrow.